Hello there, how are you doing? Welcome to Easy Classes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to read the deleted message on WhatsApp without using any apps. If you want to read the deleted message, don't worry, we have two simple steps to follow. Guys, if you are watching my video first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's jump to the tutorial. So let me show you someone has deleted the message. As you can see, I'm unable to read and this is showing this message was deleted. So in such cases, if you want to read that, we have a first solution, that is you have to open the settings app, click on that, then you have to click on the notifications menu. Now scroll down. There you have to find notifications history. Guys, if you don't find in your phone, don't worry, we have other solution. That is you have to open Play Store and then search for WAMR, then press enter to search. There you will find WAMR app, then you have to install that. Guys, let it be installed. Okay, now we have installed the WAMR app. Then open the app. Now you have to allow some permissions here. Just accept the privacy and terms conditions and follow the welcome screen and select the apps which you want to monitor. Then click next, next, next. You have to enable the permissions here for multimedia and allow them, and for notification reader you have to select the WAMR, then allow, then click next and finish. Guys, now onwards this app will monitor your WhatsApp notifications and will store the deleted messages notifications, so there you can read the deleted message on WhatsApp. That's it friends, this is how we can read the deleted messages on WhatsApp. As I suggested, first you have to use the notifications history in the settings on your phone. If you don't find the settings, then you have to use this WAMR app. That's it guys, hope this video helps you. If you found helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's meet in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.